What's going on, everyone? This is the Tusk Exhaust Adapter for the IBEX 800. Now this right here is going to open up the option to put a 790 KTM exhaust on your IBEX 800. Now the IBEX 800 is a phenomenal bike. It's been around for several years now and it's a winner. But unfortunately with this IBEX, there's not a lot of exhaust systems made for this bike. So we went our own route here at Tusk and we built this bracket so that you can throw the exhaust systems off of the KTM 790s on your bike, which makes it super awesome to pump up the power, pump up the volume, and make your IBEX stand out from the crowd. Now when it comes to this bracket, this is made out of steel and it comes with black hardware to hold on your slip-on. It's got 2 bolts and a washer. Now it's super easy to install these slip-on exhausts, and one of the coolest parts about this is this makes it so that you still won't run into any fitment issues when it comes time to throw on pannier racks and other rear-mounted accessories. Now speaking of this little bracket, you can get these separately and then you can source your own exhaust system, but we've also got these kitted together with a couple other exhaust systems for the 790. Now on ours, we threw the Yoshimura on here, and I'll tell you, riding this bike around the building, it sounds killer. It looks awesome with the carbon fiber accents. This is the route I would definitely go. But check these out by clicking on the link below or going to RockyMountainATVMC.com. As always, we offer free shipping on all orders over 75 bucks. So if you're looking for your place to get ready, Rocky Mountain's the place to be. I'm Trent. Thanks so much for watching.